In this episode, a weathered 1930 Auburn Boattail is rescued by a tight-knit team of restorers, volunteers, and friends. The story traces the car's heyday in luxury shows and early racing, then confronts rusted frames and missing trim. Interviews with the lead restorer and the owner reveal personal reasons behind reviving a family heirloom and local legend. Craftspeople discuss patina preservation, engine reassembly, wiring, upholstery, and sourcing period parts while balancing safety and nostalgia. As the Auburn finally rolls under showroom lights, the crew celebrates community, patience, and the stubborn joy of history revived.